Hi there, welcome to the Lumphini Park, the ultimate urban escape in heart of Bangkok. This place is buzzing with awesome things to do. You can kick back and hang out with our friendly feline residents, soak up some sun or go for a paddle on the serene lake. And don't forget to watch out for the monitor lizards that call this place home. Plus, you can just wander around and soak in the lush greenery. It's like a breath of fresh air right in the city. So come along for a day in Lumphini Park where every moment's a new adventure. It's 2 minutes to 7 a.m. The streets are quite empty actually, not too many people around here, and I'm about 2.5 kilometers away from Lumphini Park, so let's keep walking. Lion King, damn, that's funny. Yeah, it's really good coffee, by the way, actually. So it's a Thai street coffee, 25 baht for iced coffee, not too bad. Right now I'm in front of the Lumphini Park, so let's go in from the main entrance. That is the statue that you're gonna see in front of the Lumphini Park main entrance. One of the ways how you can get to Lumphini Park is definitely a metro. So if you're coming from further away, you have the Siloam station just in front of the Lumphini Park main entrance. And now I'm heading in, and our journey here in Lumphini Park will start now. Made it to the Lumphini Park main entrance. Yeah, here I am. To be honest, for me, the main entrance is on the other side, but yeah, so I'm trying to get used to that this is the main entrance, but this is actually the main entrance of the park, so you can trust me on that, I'm pretty sure. So let's go look around in the park and let's see what we can do over here. So many cats over here. It's one of the favorite things over here in the Lumphini Park are the cats. This cat is huge. Yes, it's huge. You're a big cat, eh? You're a big cat. He really loves some attention. But my hands are sweaty, so all those hairs are gonna stick to me. I'm not sure if this cat actually wants attention. Maybe it wants attention from other cat more than me, but from me. It's okay. Don't be scared. I definitely chose the busiest day to be here. It's Sunday, early morning, so it's gonna be full of people running around. So definitely one thing you can do here in Lumphini Park is jogging around, and it's a great place to run. All the people are standing still right now. I think I know what it is, so I guess I'll stand as well. Okay, ready to go. So definitely come here if you need to do your running, jogging, walking. It's excellent atmosphere over here. A lot of greenery. Yeah, cool place. There are those paddle boats over there, so I'm gonna go check what's the deal with those, and I hope that I can actually get on one. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, let's see. not quite sure what's happening over there. But seems to be really advanced. Or trying to record those monitor lizards over there. And I think they have a lot of food over there because too many of them over there. Massage going on over here.
รถบัสที่มันรถตู้ที่มันเป็นกรุ๊ปของเขาเนี่ยก็จะมีการส่งสัญญาณมันใช่ไหมนี่แหละมีก็หน้าแซงได้เลยแซงขวาเลยเขาจะคุยเหมือนกับเรียลไทม์เลย
I'm not sure, is it Thai massage? Thai massage?
No, this is not Thai massage.
Just a regular.
Chinese.
Chinese massage. Okay.
In English, origin point. Origin point.
Okay, yeah. Found some gym bro over here doing some exercises. Really good physique, eh? That's the Lumphini Park gym over here, outdoor gym. I think it's gonna be a really hot place to work out, but it actually has entrance fee. It's very, very cheap. It's only 200 baht per month. You like this gym?
Yeah.
Ooh. Nice.
I'm Lumphini. I am Lumphini. Lumphini Jimeno. Yeah, brother.
Yeah, nice.
You try? Are you trying? You do try?
Exercise here?
Yes.
200 baht per month, yeah?
20.
20?
Yes.
Per day?
Yes. 20 and 20 baht.
Okay. I knew that it's gonna be 200 per month.
Oh, why month?
Yeah, is it 200?
แต่พี่เดือนหนึ่งนี้ส่งเลยนะใช่ใหญ่20 baht.
Nice. How many days you working out?
Me? Only one day, only Sunday.
Only Sunday?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yes.
You look good. Okay. So, 20 baht per day, and I think it's 200 per month. I'm not sure. I think it is. Another kitty over here. This cat has been fighting. As you see, it has a lot of scratches and damage on the body. The nose is all messed up from fighting. Well, I'm not surprised because there's so many of them around here, so they must get territorial and, whatever happens. You need some love, yeah. He's very tired from fighting, it seems. Needs some good rest and heal. So just next to the gym there is pull-up area where you can do pull-ups, stretches, dips, all kind of bodyweight exercises, whatever you want to do over here. If you don't want to pay any money, this is all free area for everybody to use. So yeah, if you don't want to pay, that's the place for you. I'm gonna be doing few pull-ups, few dips. I'm quite sweaty already, so I don't want to do too many because even walking gets me too sweaty right now. So yeah, but let's get going.
Good.
This guy is sleeping over here. I should try to see how close I can actually get. He doesn't like that I'm approaching him. It's quite big monitor lizard. Water monitor lizard, but the eye looks scary. And he's keeping an eye on me. I'm not sure if he's testing me to see if I'm gonna back down, but his eye looks really scary, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get any closer than that. That already feels quite close. I hope he's not gonna make any sudden movements because I will be scared. Okay, finally he's leaving. Right now I see one lizard trying to actually climb on a tree, or I'm not quite sure what he's trying to do over there, but yeah, it's pretty hard to get it in the shot. I'm pretty sure it's in the shot right now, but yeah. I hope it's not gonna run at me, because otherwise I'm not suspecting it at all. Oh, kitty, you're friendly. I feel like, oh, don't scratch me. Oh, don't scratch me. Oh, you're a naughty boy. You guys want to hear a stupid joke? It's a rowing class. Okay, I'm not gonna annoy them very much longer. Yeah, he likes that fluffy thing. The windscreen. I'm not sure it's a boy or girl, to be honest. The stomach looks like it has kittens. Lumphini Park feels like a cat cafe. So come here, you can play with the cats, you can do your jogging. You can see some fish, you can see some lizards. Very nice.
Can you dance?
No, I cannot. So you enjoy in Lumphini Park mostly dancing?
Yes.
Yeah. But if anything else, for if people don't dance, what do you recommend people would do here in Lumphini Park?
อาจารย์เขาถามว่าถ้าเกิดว่าคนที่ไม่เต้นรำอ่ะ แล้วเราจะแนะนำให้เขาทำกิจกรรมอะไรออกแบบให้ออกกำลังอะไร
ไม่จะมีเยอะแยะมวยจีนไทยเก๊ก
อ๋อไทจี do you know
Tai Chi, yes.
แอโรบิก
Arabic dance
ที่อันนี้มีแดนบอกในนี้มีแอโรบิก
we have Arabic dance
Thai
in
cake
very early morning
แล้วก็
Yeah. So a lot of activity.
ที่นั่นน่ะอะไรวะที่อาจารย์สอนนี่น่ะโยคะ
โยกะ
นี่มีโยคะมีมากมายเยอะแยะ
but most people come to walk and
And running.
jogging
Yeah, jogging. Yeah.
เยอะแยะเวทนี้ก็มี
just
gym
Just a few
exercise.
people do like us dancing. Just a few, very few.
I think it's second time I see you guys here. I see you before. I come here before and I see
you
you
come
guys.
here, see me, see
Yeah,
us.
yeah, dancing.
เขาเคยมาแล้วเขาเห็นเราครั้งที่สองเขาบอกว่ามันมีน้อยมากที่เต้นรำแบบเราเขาบอกใช่เขาเคยมาแล้วก็เห็นเราครั้งที่สอง
Okay.
เอาอะไรต่อ
so
And how the Lumphini Park have changed over the years? He have been here a long time, right?
yeah maybe more than 20 years but อาจารย์มากี่ปีละเขาบอกว่าเรามาอยู่นี่กี่ปีละ
20 กว่าปี
he's also more than อาจารย์น่าจะ30 กว่าปี
ไม่ถึงครูมาก่อนผม
จริงเหรอ
จริงผมมา20 ปี
more than 20 years
22 ปีได้ผม
Have it changed a lot over the 20
no
years?
not much
Not much.
yes
Same, pretty
like
much
the same
อืม
มันไม่ค่อยเปลี่ยนแปลงเลยเนาะอาจารย์เนาะ
สภาพเหมือน
ถ้าถามว่าเปลี่ยนแปลงไปเยอะไหมยังบอกว่าไม่
ไม่เปลี่ยน
มัน
Just
เหมือน
some
เดิม
small renovation.
yeah just sometimes you know that here
Fixing.
and there you know that but it take a long time usually
Yes.
they work very slow
Yeah.
that stage in due time is only 3 months but now it's already 3 months but
Nothing
still
happened.
not finished yet
Sad end. Okay, thank you very much for the.
thank you
Thank you. A little bit too big stick. It's a young kitty cat wants to play. There's a bird jumping over there. Seems that cat wants to go for it. That's a good point of view over here. I'm gonna go see if the paddle boat is open now. Some time have passed and yeah, hopefully it's open. I left my shirt hanging somewhere just so it would dry off because it's completely wet. The back is completely wet, so yeah, it's too hot today for walking around. So I made it to the paddle boat and it was completely free, which is really awesome. So you can come to Lumphini Park, you know, with your friend, have a little date over here, or you know, just with your family, and enjoy free activity, just paddling away. Yeah, it's pretty bad alone, to be honest. I really wanted to find somebody, but I couldn't see anybody I wanted to invite on the little paddle ride with me, sadly. So yeah, I have to just be here lonely. Sadness. No, it's so good, you know. I enjoy my own company as well. And you guys are with me, so am I really alone? Maybe not. So yeah, I think that kind of sums it up over here. I'm gonna hit the shore soon. Gonna paddle around a little bit, and yeah, enjoy this little boat ride. Even though it's really tilted, you know, because my weight is on the one side, and yeah, it must look funny from the shore. My early morning over here in Lumphini Park has been really fun. I played with a lot of cats. I went to paddle boating. I did some exercise. Yeah, I didn't do jogging or running because I would be so sweaty. And yeah, let's hopefully find my shirt now. I left it somewhere hanging, so hopefully nobody took it. Yeah, I don't think anybody took it, but yeah, fingers crossed. Let's go find it. I'm gonna be heading out from Lumphini Park right now. I had a lot of fun today. It was quite a long day, 5 hours over here in Lumphini Park. Been a great day. I've been doing a lot of different things over here, and I definitely recommend you to come here. Yeah, if you have been in Lumphini Park, write in the comment section what's your favorite thing to do in Lumphini Park, or write in the comment section what's your favorite park in Bangkok. Righto, thank you for watching, and see ya on the next one. Bye bye.